because we've got, hey.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so come back over here. Put all your water bottles down. And let's sit right here because we're going to ask you questions. Be quiet, do not worry, it will get much faster here in a second. Thank you, baby. At the neck. Put your hand on it like that, and the V of your hand should be running straight up the racket. And everyone repeat after me. That's my continental grip. Okay, everyone stand.
Got the continental grip, right? Now watch what you do. Your left hand, we're starting out with the back hand. You've got the continental grip. Your hand on top and next to it. And you keep the continental grip for your back hand. At Katrina, where's your back hand? Where's your back hand?
Time this month that you're on the Continental Training Court and I catch you without the grip, you will do kangaroo jumps or star catchers. Okay? There's your, how many balls do you have on this one? All right, let's do it. Come on.
See that? In the elbow. Okay? So everybody go back to
You're trying to go over the net.
back and back.
Each team has
What's
two
wrong with your
balls.
left arm?
Continental grip.
Yes,
Victor,
this is
when you're
important.
doing
Right there.
Okay, go right
There you go. Julie.
Were we swinging at the ball or were we punching the ball? Punching the ball. We were not swinging at it, okay?